Hi, good morning guys. This is Gaurav. We are did on project library management. He is our team leader Taj Kamal, and these both are our team members Praveen and Nikhil. Let's come to see our project library management. Chalu.
Let us see my project library management. This is the home page of the library management of Loyola Polytechnic. Okay. When click on the login button, in this login page, we can log in two users, one admin and student. We can log in with admin name Loyola and password 1234. When login this page, it will goes to home page of the admin. In this admin page, we can add published announcements. We can use this announcement. We can add this and click the submit button. It will add the published announcements. We can delete and add this. Next one, when clicking the books, we can add the librarian books. When you clicking the book add, when enter book title and author name, ISBN number and submit when it is added to the books. When click the admins list are in there. When we add the admins, click on the add user and enter the full name and username password. When clicking the student, it's the student table. We can add students. We can log in, log out this page. We can log in student web page. We can use the student web page. We can borrow the student books. And clicking the borrow books, this is the one record will borrowing this metric name and metric number. In these points, the finds are there in this web page. When click the logout, it will go to the home page. In this home page, we can see our library management system in Loyola Polytechnic. When click the login button, we can log in with student ID. When sign up, this is the student home page in my website. We can click the profile. We can see student profile which we want to log in. Borrowed books. You can borrow in this type of books only. When clicking the borrow now, add the borrow date and return date. When submit it, it is borrowed. When see it finds the two books are borrowed. And click the paid, it is check the charges. Okay, this is the overall project of library management system. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am here to introduce my project Marks Fetcher. నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చేసి మార్క్స్ ఫెచ్చర్. దీన్ని ముఖ్యంగా ఎందుకు క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగిందంటే, మనకి ఎప్పుడైతే రిజల్ట్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయో అప్పుడు చాలా టైం డిలే అనేది ఉంటుంది. సర్వర్ డౌన్ అయిపోవడం కారణం కానీ, దానివల్ల రిజల్ట్స్ చూసుకోడానికి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది కదా. దాన్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసేకి ఈ మార్క్స్ ఫెచ్చర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రావడం జరిగింది. ఈ మార్క్స్ ఫెచ్చర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే, విత్ ఇన్ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ మినిట్స్ అందరి రిజల్ట్స్ని ఇది ఫెచ్ చేయగలుగుతుంది. నేను ఒకసారి మీకు డెమో అనేది చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి దీని యూఐ అనేది ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఇది మొత్తం పైథాన్లో రాయడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ ఇలా మార్క్స్ ఫెచ్చర్ అని రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ స్టార్ట్ పిన్ అని అడగడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ నేను ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ పిన్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాను, 20029 CM001 అని. తర్వాత ఎండ్ పిన్ అనేది అడుగుతుంది, అంటే ఏ పిన్ నుంచి ఏ పిన్ వరకు రిజల్ట్ని ఫెచ్ చేయాలని. తర్వాత 20029 CM120 అని టైప్ చేస్తున్నా. తర్వాత సెమిస్టర్ ఎంటర్ చేయమని అడుగుతుంది, 5th సెమిస్టర్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నా. తర్వాత కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకోమని అడుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ పిన్ వచ్చేసి 20029 CM001, ఎండింగ్ పిన్ వచ్చేసి 20029 CM120. తర్వాత ఎంటర్ టు కన్ఫర్మ్ అని అడుగుతుంది. నేను ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తాను. ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు మనకు రిజల్ట్స్ అనేవి వస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ రెడ్గా వచ్చినవన్నీ వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళ నంబర్స్ అనేవి లేవు, సో వాళ్ళది రెడ్ అని వస్తుంది. తర్వాత గ్రీన్ వచ్చినాయి, వాళ్ళ రిజల్ట్స్ ఫెచ్ చేయని అర్థం. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడొస్తే 4.26 సెకండ్స్లో 120 రిజల్ట్స్ మీకు ఫెచ్ చేసేసింది. తర్వాత మన ఒక ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్కి పేరు అడుగుతుంది. తర్వాత నేనేం ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నా, CME రిజల్ట్స్ అని ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నా. తర్వాత ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తాను. తర్వాత నేను దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను. చూడండి CME ఇప్పుడు నేను సేవ్ చేసిన పేరుతోనే ఉంటుంది, అది ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నా. చూడండి ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఇక్కడ ఉంది మనకి, నేను టైప్ చేస్తున్నా ఓపెన్ CME రిజల్ట్స్ అని. ఓకే, ఈ ఫైల్ కాదు, సారీ. ఓకే, ఇది ఓపెన్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు మీరు. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫెచ్ చేసిన రిజల్ట్స్ ఇవి. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనకి ఇక్కడ పిన్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 46, 15, 61 ఎన్ ఉంది కదా. దీని అర్థం వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ 46 అంటే ఎక్స్టర్నల్ మార్క్స్, 15 అంటే ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్, 61 అంటే టోటల్ మార్క్స్, ఎన్ అంటే ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసి ముందు రాసి పాస్ అయ్యారని. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ P అంటే పాస్ అని, F అంటే ఫెయిల్ అని. తర్వాత లాస్ట్లో మనకి టోటల్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఫాలోడ్ బై రిజల్ట్. ఓకేనా. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఒక క్లాసిఫైయర్ టూల్ ఉంటుంది. అదేం చేస్తుందంటే మొత్తం వచ్చిన ఆ రిజల్ట్స్ని ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనకి ఈ విధంగా దాన్ని క్లాసిఫై చేస్తుంది. సివిల్, కంప్యూటర్స్, ఎలక్ట్రికల్, కమ్యూనికేషన్, మైనింగ్, మెకానికల్ అని. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ చూస్తే కంప్యూటర్స్ నేను కనుక ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు మనకి ఈ ఫైల్స్ అన్ని క్రియేట్ అవుతాయి. దీంట్లో మనకి ఫెయిల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, తర్వాత టాప్ 10 ఏ సెక్షన్, బి సెక్షన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, తర్వాత సార్టెడ్ బై మార్క్స్, సార్టెడ్ బై పిన్ ఉంటుంది. సార్టెడ్ బై మార్క్స్లో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి సార్టెడ్ బై మార్క్స్. దీంట్లో ఏముంటుందంటే ఎవరు హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్స్ నుంచి లీస్ట్ మార్క్స్ వరకు మనకు రిజల్ట్స్ అనేవి సార్ట్ అయి చూపిస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు 794 హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్స్, 411 లీస్ట్ మార్క్స్ కాబట్టి. తర్వాత వచ్చేసి ఒక ఫెయిల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ సపరేట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటారు. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఫెయిల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్లో మనకు వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఫెయిల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ సపరేట్ అయిపోయారు. 44, 60, 119 ఫెయిల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అని. ప్రమోటెడ్ అని ఉంది. దీని తర్వాత వచ్చేసి మనకి ఒక రిపోర్ట్ అనేది జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి సెక్షన్ వైజ్ రిపోర్ట్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. దాని తర్వాత ఈ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్ రిపోర్ట్, అంటే ఏ సెక్షన్, బి సెక్షన్ రెండు కలుపుకొని. తర్వాత డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఇయర్ 20 సెమిస్టర్ 5 9 మంది అటెండ్ అయ్యారు, 6 మెంబర్స్ పాస్ అయ్యారు, 3 మెంబర్స్ ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు. పాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ 66%, ఫెయిల్ పర్సెంటేజ్ 33%. తర్వాత మన కనుక రిపోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సెక్షన్ ఒకటి రిపోర్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ CMA అని ఉంది, ఇయర్ వచ్చేసి 20 అని ఉంది, సెమిస్టర్ వచ్చేసి 5 అని ఉంది. స్టూడెంట్స్ 9 మెంబర్స్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారు, 6 మెంబర్స్ పాస్ అయ్యారు, 3 మెంబర్స్ ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు అని ఉంది. తర్వాత పాస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ 66%, ఫెయిల్ పర్సెంటేజ్ 33% ఉంది. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫెయిల్డ్ వచ్చేసి 501 ఒకరు, 502లో 3 ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు, 503లో 3 ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారని చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
From computer B section. My project is about job is voice assistant. Jarvis stands for just a rather than very intelligent system. The name was adopted from the movie Iron Man. The objective is to humanly interact with a system that runs some applications and devices. Voice recognition systems are common today, but we don't rely on it that much. It is because of the lack of user friendliness of those systems. Imagine if you can speak to your machines as it is our human in a systematic technical world where our each day is well connected to technology by one or another way. We already are familiar with other voice assistants like Google, Siri, etc. It is effortless to use. The main aim of our voice assistant system is that this makes people smart and provides a big relief to illiterate as the forecast of the weather for the upcoming days. It can also perform mathematical calculation. It can also trace numbers of the particular users. Jarvis is designed to be used efficiently on desktop. Personal assistant software improves your productivity by managing routine tasks of the user and by providing information from online sources to the user.
The name Jarvis stands for just a rather very intelligent system. The name was adapted from the movie Iron Man. The objective is to humanly interact with a system that runs some applications and devices. Voice recognition systems are common today, but we do not rely on it that much. It is because of the lack of user friendliness of those systems. Imagine if you can speak to your machines as if it were a human. Jarvis allows the user to communicate in a humanly manner. Voice assistant Jarvis is a voice recognition artificial intelligence application designed by us to perform tasks or service for an individual based on commands. It can perform following functionalities. It can perform the following functionalities such as alarm, game, greetings, location, remember, news, YouTube search, music, and change password, schedule my day, internet speed, translator, screenshot, click my photo, volume up and down, weather, temperature, joke, and finally shut down.
How does it works? When we implement the code, it is used to ask to enter a password. Okay, conclusion about it is Jarvis is a digital and virtual assistant with artificial intelligence. It is very flexible and useful technology. It provides a better interface to deal with it. Future, what we do for it.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, the virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Wake up.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Tell me a joke.
A good programmer is someone who always looks both ways before crossing a one-way street.
Hardware components explain that.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Siri. My project name is College Website using HTML and CSS. Here is my project.
This is the title. This is the title of our project, and this is the menu bar, and this is the image part. On the menu bar, we have some options like home, college information, diploma courses, student information, staff information. We can see the information of these buttons, these tabs, just by clicking on it. If you want to open the home page, just by clicking the home page. This is the home page, and if you want to go to home page, click on the go to home page option. And if you want to open the college information, click on the college information tab. This the college information page will appear. Lastly, go to home page. Click on the go to home page link. It automatically goes to the home page and diploma courses option. This diploma courses option can have all the subjects of each department. A drop down menu will appear when we place the cursor on the diploma courses and select the branch. Select the branch. I want to select the computer engineering and select the year. I select the first year. The first year subjects will be displayed. and these have two links. Go to home page and go to select here. Whatever you want, choose that. I want to choose this go to select here option. And next, third year. Civil engineering third year subjects will, computer engineering third year subjects will be up here. And next, go to home page. Next, staff information. The staff information option contains all the information of the staff of each department. That is general department, civil engineering. I want to see the computer engineering department stuff, so I click on the computer engineering stuff. This page will appear about computer staff. And next, go to home page. Next, general department. The general department teachers information will be displayed. And next, go to home page. Next, the student information tab. In the students information tab, the drop down menu will appear. In that, we can choose any one option. I choose computer engineering option. In this, it can display two buttons. Select any one of the button. If you want to see the CME second year student information, click on that option. I click on that option. It asks for download. I already downloaded, so it comes like this. And next, go to home page. So finally, this is our project. So thank you.
Hi, hello, I am K. Sri Lakshmi. My project is prime time and occurrence prediction using Python. Here it is my project. We created a model to determine crime prediction using classification techniques based on available data. This is homepage of our project. Here is options are there: home, about, registration, login. First, user has to registration. Click on the registration option. Here user has to enter the username, password confirmation, email. First enter the username and enter the password and enter the confirmation and enter the email ID and click on the submit button and user has to log in. Here user has to enter the username and enter the password and click on submit button and click on the view option.
Select the margin.
View option has the crime data. Why we create this option means the user has to know what crime data present in it. This is the crime data. So the user has to take the input from this data. First, user has to click on modulus and choose the modulus. Here, three modulus are there: random forest classifier, decision tree, logistic regression. First, take the random forest classifier and click on submit button. After choosing the module will appear with percentage and then click on the prediction option with predict the data. Enter the input data which is present on the view. After entering the input data, click on the submit button. It displays the crime type which is occurred based on the input data. This is the crime type. In this way, it displays the crime type.
Hello everyone, I am Samina. Me and my team, Priyanka, Hemishi and Sakitna handled the project fake news detection. So here is your project.
So our project name is fake news detection by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the aim of the project is to detect whether the given news is real or fake. So let us know about what is fake news. So fake news is nothing but It is a false or misleading information presented as news. In this project, the methodologies we have used are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So HTML, it is hypertext markup language. It is the backbone of web content. So the primary purpose is to structure and define the content of a web page. Next, CSS. It is used for styling the HTML elements. So JavaScript is a programming language used to add interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. There are several advantages of a fake news detection, but let us see how practically it will work. So here already we have developed a web page. Here in this text area, we need to enter a text. So let us type a text. For example, is located in Agra. So here there is a button check for fake news. If we press on it, it will display whether the news is real or fake. So let us do it. So it displays this news article appears to be real. So let us type another news. For example, Andhra Pradesh is a country. So clearly we will see that this news article may be fake. Fake news is a layered process that involves analysis of the news content to determine the truthfulness of the news. Thank you.
Project name is Home Security System. These are my teammates, Ashik Reddy and P. Ganesh Yadav. These components I have used it in our project. This is Arduino Uno. This is PIR sensor. This is buzzer. PIR sensor is used to detect the movement of the object or human body. It detects and gives the signal to the Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno gives the signal to the buzzer. So when the movement is detected by the PIR sensor gives it to Arduino signals to buzzer. The buzzer will beep. This is the whole project of our teammates, made by our teammates. Thank you.
My name is Jiran and my partner name is Ashwan. We are doing the project name is hacking, illegal hacking. It is illegal. We are doing the hacking on phone. I am doing the hacking on phone. మనకు ఫోన్లో హ్యాకింగ్ అనేది చేయొచ్చు కానీ మనకు దానికి ఫిషింగ్ టూల్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఆ ఫిషింగ్ టూల్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి జెట్ఫిషర్. దీనేమో జెట్ఫిషర్. దీన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనము హ్యాక్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే ఇది ఇల్లీగల్ కాదు, లీగలే. ఇక్కడ సోషల్ మీడియా నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇవి సోషల్ మీడియా నేమ్స్ ఫేస్బుక్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, గూగుల్, మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ అలా ఏవైనా ఫేక్ లింక్స్ అనేవి క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫేస్బుక్, ఇన్స్టా, గూగుల్ అట్లా ఏవైనా లింక్స్ అనేవి ఫేక్ లింక్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసు. అది నా ఫోన్లో చేయాలా. అది ఎట్లా చేయాలంటే మీకు చూపిస్తా. ఇక్కడ నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నా జెట్ఫిషర్ అనేది. ఇది ఇంటర్ఫేస్ వచ్చింది సేమ్ యాజ్ ద వాట్ వి displayed in the system. Now I am doing the Google fake link. Now I am selecting all the inputs. Here we have to select the network connections. I am taking Cloudflare. For custom port is no. Defaultly taken the custom port. It will create the fake link. Now the link is created. There are two links. We can select any of them. I am copying the link and sending to the target system. I send the link to the target system and the link is here. Just I am clicking on the link. It displays here. It displays as it is original link, but it is fake link. Why? Because the original links is in the original link the starting letters are be
google.com or else www. Now the fake link, see the one's fake link. It starts with the name, and when we clicked on the link, the IP address is stored in the system and it's saved in the path. Now we are logging in here. We are typing the password. I am signing in. It displays in the hacker system. See the email address and password will be displayed here, and the path will be saved in the auth/usernames.dat. Thanks.
I am Jishatras and this is my teammates. His name is Chaitanya and he is Naveen. My topic is about our college website. We created a college website and this is a matter about our college, and we are offering some of the hostels, labs, computer engineering courses and library labs. This is computer lab, engineering, EC lab, mechanical lab, civil and mining. We are provided some courses that are computer engineering, EC, civil, triple mining and mechanical. This is a matter about our college. In 1980, Sri Ysrr Raja Reddy sir started our college, and this is a matter about our faculties and the relationship between our college and students. And if you click on this call now button, it will enter a father's number, then a call will go.
Is the code for it. Which has number of functions, which helps us to reserve seats and to display the free seats to book. And let us execute it to know how it works. First, we have to enter the number of passengers. I am entering 2. Enter the passengers details of the 2 passengers. And now enter the source place to destination place, and this displays the expresses that are available, and I am taking the Humsafar Express. Select the class which you want. And it displays the total bill amount for the 2 passengers. It is 4,200. And it shows what are the free seats that are available to book, and I am selecting the seat numbers which I want. I need 5 and then 6. And again it shows the free seats. There will be a block which helps us to cancel the seats also. Just press 1 to cancel, else 2. I will show how it works by pressing 1. Enter the seat number to cancel, 5 or 6. I am going to cancel the 5th. And the seat 5 has been cancelled. And at last, it is the total details of the passengers. First passenger name, gender, age, and then the second passenger and source place, destination place, and the express name and all the other details which you have seen before. And this is our project. Thank you. That's it.
So our project name is game through C. Our teammates is Juan Saina, Jashwant and Guru Rahman. I am Shiv Ganesh. So the project is usual. So this is the total project. This is the code which is have been ready by the team. So let us execute this, compile it, then run. So the game is started. So the rules and regulations you have to read. So I am going to start the game by pressing S. So register a new name. The records are all the records have been recorded. All the records have been stored in your name. So register your name. So start. So read all rules and regulations for the all questions. So press Y to start. So the first 3 questions are warm-up questions. You have to at least you have to answer the 2 of them in correct way. So the first question is see. So the we are eligible to the game. So press any key to start the game. So now the game is started. This is the first question which is in first round. So the question is what is the national game of England? So the answer you have to find the answer and give the answer directly without pressing. You can press anything. So let's give. So the given answer is wrong. So press enter. So if you given any answer, if you given your answer is first answer is wrong, then we can quit from the game. So this is the project through C. It is a simple program which can be run by with the only code without any file managers. This is the code, and we can run this game in the easy of manner of console game. So this is the mini project we can develop in C through C++ program. Chale.
Project. The project name is Cascades Detector Using IoT. Let us go through our project. The components we used. This is sensor. This is node MCU. This is breadboard. These are connecting wires. This is power supply. గ్యాస్ లీకేజ్ అనేది ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్లో ఉందో ఇక్కడ మనం చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు మనం సేఫ్ జోన్లో ఉన్నాం. ఇంకా దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు మనం డేంజర్ జోన్లో ఉన్నాం. ఇప్పుడు సేఫ్ జోన్లో ఉన్నాం. ఎంత లెవెల్లో ఉన్నామో కూడా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు.
And my project name is Online Routing System through C, and it is my project.
And it is my processed code. If you run this code, the output will be like this. If you want to vote via SRCP, then you need to press 1. If you want to vote TDP, if you want to press 2. Like this. If you want to vote for other parties, there is any number, then you need to choose one number. Please choose your choice. That means I select 1. That means I vote to the ISRCP. If you enter, then it asks your name. If you enter the name, then one message will be generated. That is voted counted successfully. And next I need to vote for a name. Again ISRCP. Then again it will ask me, and I am entering the name same. Then it will shows one message that is sorry Pavitra, you are not allowed to vote again. This is my project. Means in this project, by voting in online, I am using to compare the names, not for voter IDs. In generally, voter IDs are checked, but in my project, names will be checked. If the names are same, then we'll check son of name or daughter of name. Again, if son of name or daughter of name is same, then it will check surname. If both are same, then it will check address. Like this, I have implemented this. If you want to vote again, then press 1. Again, enter your name. So I give a different name. That why own counter successfully message was generated. Then you need to
So you need to see the election results, then you need to press 5. If you press 5, then it will show who win and total vote of that party, and it's compared with other parties. Means see here, total vote of ISRCP is 2. That means here I entered 1 and again 2. Here again I entered the same name, then it not allowed to vote. So this is the result of this program. See here, that election was compared with another parties, and this is my project. Thanks.
My name is P. Purushottam. We are my team members Babu, Manikumar, and Sheikh Apri. This is my project, Hostel Management System. Let's see our project. Now enter the localhost / hostel in Google Chrome web browser. My project is display on user registration, user login, admin login. So now enter the user registration form. User registration form. Enter registration number and first enter the name as Purushottam. Okay. And last name as Bolu. Now select the gender and enter the contact number. Now my email ID is, I am entering Purushottam at the rate 123 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. And enter password as Purushottam at the rate of 039. I am entering now. And re-enter the password for confirmation. Okay. Now you are seeing this is already in Gmail in. Okay. So I am modifying it. I am user registration was successfully reached. I am login user login. Okay. Now enter the email as Purushottam 123 at the rate of gmail.com. And the password is push at the rate of 039. Okay, now login. This is the dashboard. And now book the hostel as room number 1. That is the default values, selector 5, fee per month 2500. Okay. Now select the personal info. This will appear on the user registration form. Now enter emergency contact, guardian name as Vishnu. Okay, relation as brother. Now enter your details in this form. Now enter your address. And the city, I am entering the city as Nellore and state as Andhra Pradesh, pin code as 516268, and the correspondent permanent address is above the form. Now successfully login. Book the room. This is the info. You want your personal profile. If you want to change your password, and enter old password and new password and change password. Click on change password, the password will be changed. That is the user login at the time. That is user login. Now enter admin login. Okay, admin as admin username, password as I am at the data 1234. I am login. It is only for admin purpose. this can be used only admin. Now there are three students, okay, and 4 rooms total rooms. See, 6 courses like CME, mechanical, EC, okay.
This is Chandra Likita from Final Year Computers. Our project name is Programmers Job Website. The main aim of this project is to connect job seekers and employers. It allows users to browse and filtering job listings. We built this project by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can customize this project by using files like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It plays a major role in job discovery. And this is our project. This is the home page. This is about we are hiring jobs. This is the website. This is features. Filter jobs, job listings. From this page we will apply jobs. This form will appear. After filling this application, we save this where to our company. Next, contact us through this. This is our mail ID and Instagram ID. Now, select job title, company, and email ID, password. Then you click submit. It will send to our company.
This is M. Harshita from Final Year DCME Computers A section. Coming to the project, our project name is Architecture and Interior Web Designing. Architecture means nothing but it is an art of science of buildings. These types of websites are used for planning, constructing different types of buildings, and it gives clarity about different types of buildings. Here we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript code, and it is a front-end design. And this is the home, best architecture and interior design services. Here we focused on modern architecture and interior design. These are the features like architecture, 3D animation, house planning, interior design, etc. These are the different types of projects like modern complex. This is the modern complex, Royal Hotel, Maxwell Building, shopping complex. And these are the team members, we four team members. And here we can book appointment. Here is a phone number and email. This is the address, and here also we have about us. It is a creative architecture agency for our dream home.
Next services.
These are the services. Architecture, animation, pages, features. Team members, appointment. We created 5 student level certificates. These are my team members. His name is Surendra and his name is Pranav. He will explain.
This is code. Run the project. Store the data in details.
enter your college. After the details entered, take input this column. Data is saved successful. Okay. Display results. After displaying results, student to Loyola Polytechnic address, phone number. ఇది అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏమంటే దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి డేటాని ఎంత స్టోర్ చేసుకున్నా ఎంబీ స్పేస్ అనేది పెరగదు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ మెయిన్లీ డెవలప్డ్ టు రెడ్యూస్ మెమరీ సైజ్ బికాజ్ అదర్ we mainly created this developed this project to reduce the memory size because other applications take more memory size compared to this project. This project does not increase memory space. The data will store it permanently. The data will be never deleted. This is our project.
Hi guys, this is Lokesh, our team led by Vamsi. This is Sunil and Prasad. Our project name is Hotel Management System. We choose this project because managers are very busy in their work. They are unable to do paperwork for the registration of rooms and booking of events and others. So we choose this project. We created this website for them to easily operate them. Let's see our project.
Firstly, in our project, we have home page. This is our home page. It is called as Holiday Water Ooty. Firstly, we will go for rooms. In this, first you want to register in our website, in our hotel. Be our customer. Enter details like your name, I entered your location, is mail, and entered some mobile number. We are giving this particular basic details regarding our website. What in your registration, birthday. In age bookings, we must mention our age. It must be 18 years above. An address of Andhra State, Andhra Pradesh city. And in here, we are mentioning a ID. It is a email ID. It's our email ID. And it is a user-friendly password. Wonderful. It is a user-friendly password. It is after the registration. After entering all the details, it is a registration form. We are providing a user ID, and it is your details. Now we book a room now. Book a stay.
Start just now. Here different types of rooms are available. First, if you want to choose the type of room, then book it. Select type. Then enter your user ID. Then the password you created. Then the time you want to stay. Then number of rooms you wanted, then the members, Application fee. Withdrawal.
Good morning, Father. This is our project. My project name is a display student details. There we have number of websites for display student websites, student details. This is another way. We have only display a unique password. We use unique password for particular enable for security purpose. We have different pages like we see in a login page. When we enter a PIN number and then password, unique person details will be displayed. Like when we enter a PIN number and then we store a password for a security purpose, then a student details will be displayed, like branch, semester marks, percentage. I think this is very useful for our department also. Then if any other branches want to display these type of details, then display. We use the HTML and CSS code for that, and we use a RAM server like RAM server for doing a website.
Hi, this is Sunil. This is Somshekhar, and this is Hemant. My project is student enrollment, and let's see our project. Let's see our project. Open login and register. And click first your login register here. First enter name and enter email ID. And next we are enter here name and password of after confirm password. Here we enter confirm password and choose our photos. Choose your photos and register here. Okay, let's go to database and add to your account. Okay, here choosing inactive. Here we want to add to your account. Yeah, here not seeing. Okay, here giving our add to permission. Okay, it's successfully added. Next we log in our account using user ID and password. Okay, then sign in. Okay, here we are choosing our profile first. Here this is my profile. Next we are choosing all student details. Okay, next this is users. Next add your student. Here student, enter your student name. Next roll number. Then address, student address. Here enter mobile number. Okay. Here course, whatever course you want, and add picture and photo. Choose your photo and add student. Here see successfully added. Next see your photo. Next you see here. Next we can also modify here. Okay, first I am modifying photo. Next student name. In this way we can update any records. Okay, next add student. Here see successfully. Next I am updating my profile photo. Choose here, choose file. Again I choose my photo only. Okay, refresh here. Okay, next see my profile, same photo is here. Then I log out here.
This HTML register form will display. మన డీటెయిల్స్ ఎంటర్ చేయగానే ఆటోమేటిక్గా యూఆర్ఎల్ కాపీ చేయగానే మన డీటెయిల్స్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి. ఎప్పుడైనా చూడొచ్చు, ఏ టైంలో అయినా చూడొచ్చు. ఇది ఇటలీలో మైక్రో ఆర్కిటెక్చర్. ఇది ఆ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్కి స్ట్రీట్స్లలో చాలా పెద్ద ఫేమస్. బుర్జ్ ఖలీఫా టాలెస్ట్ టవర్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. ఇది కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్కి ఫేమస్ టెంపుల్. ఇంకా మనకి ఏమైనా కావాలి అంటే ఇంకా మలేషియాలో స్విట్జర్లాండ్లో రివర్స్, తర్వాత ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో ల్యాండ్. ఇది మనం అంటే టూరిజం వెబ్సైట్. టూరిజంకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అక్కడ సెర్చ్ చేసి ఏమైనా డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ నెంబర్కి మెసేజ్ మెయిల్కి మెసేజ్ చేయండి. హెల్ప్ సెంటర్కి ఎనీ టైం చేయొచ్చు. మెసేజ్ చేయగానే రిప్లై ఇస్తాము.
Dharani and Maheshwari, our project name is Home Security Alarm System using PIR sensor. Nowadays the security is the major issue in all the hands of human life. Security and safety are the most considered objectives in today's world. To secure the property against thief, crime, fire, etc. The powerful security system is required not only to detect but also pre-emit hazards. PIR sensor is the electronic system that always allows you to sense motion. These components are more than components we are required. PIR motion sensors, buzzer, and so on, lights, so on. కొంచెం చెప్తా అది కాదు, కొంచెం కట్ చేయమని నేను దీన్ని బట్టి ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ సెన్సార్స్ అనేటివి మన హ్యూమన్ మూమెంట్ని సెన్స్ చేసుకుంటాయి అనమాట. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటాయి. ఇది వచ్చేసి టైంని సెన్స్ చేసుకుంటుంది, ఇది డిస్టెన్స్. టైం అనేది మనం ఎలా అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని సెకండ్స్ తర్వాత మూమెంట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అనేది దాన్ని పెట్టుకుంటుంది. డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, ఇది మ్యాక్సిమం 7 మీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఆ 7 మీటర్స్లో మనం ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ కావాలో అంత డిస్టెన్స్ని ఇది క్యాప్చర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. మనకి దీనికి మనం ఒక విధంగా, దీనికి ఒక విధంగా అవసరం. దీనికి 3 సెకండ్స్, దీనికి 5 సెకండ్స్ ఇష్టం. దాన్ని బట్టి ఇది అనేది సెన్స్ చేసుకుంటుంది. అలాగే ఈ పిఆర్ సెన్సర్ వల్ల సో మెనీ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఇట్ విల్ బీ మోర్ సెక్యూర్ అండ్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్. ఇది డే అండ్ నైట్ కూడా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. మనం డే టైమ్స్ అండ్ నైట్ టైమ్స్ డార్క్నెస్లో కూడా ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది సెన్స్ చేస్తుంది.
Guys, welcome to our project. Our project name is Animated User-Friendly Mobile. This is my team. His name is M. Satish. I am Suresh Nayak, Dhoni, Kishamohan. This is our project. Our project is to perform all operations which performs a normal mobile with using front-end languages only. So let's begin the introduction. This is clock. It is made up of only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And it is photos. It is with the photos with animations. It is a game. The game is created by using HTML and CSS and JavaScript with only the front-end languages. It can perform all performances with HTML and CSS and JavaScript technologies.
Hello everyone. Today we came with a project Ysrr Cyber Secure Quantum Solutions for Drug Discovery. The project led by Rakesh Reddy, Gangi Reddy, Suryavardhan Reddy and team lead Lohit Reddy.
And this is our infrastructure, Azure